Welcome to my channel. Today I want to invite you on a journey. A journey not through the outside world, but deep into yourself. Because once you understand the invisible forces shaping your life, you will never live the same way again. Let me ask you, what if the reality you're living in right now is nothing more than a reflection of your beliefs? What if your habits, your personality, even your problems are just the fruits of a seed planted long ago, inside your subconscious mind? You see, I didn't create this channel just to talk. I created it because to share this knowledge. It belongs to anyone ready to wake up. In every video, we'll spend just about 5 minutes. That's it. But those 5 minutes, if you give them your focus, might just start to change everything. The ideas I'll share come from years of study, experience, and guidance from people I deeply respect. And all I ask in return is this. If it resonates, share it with your friends. Like, comment, subscribe, help this energy move forward. Because the more we all awaken, the more powerful the shift becomes. Now let's begin with something essential. What are beliefs? And where do they even come from? Before you were born, before your soul entered this world, there was already a plan. It sounds strange, but trust me. Why? Because each piece of your life would serve your growth. Before you were born, while your mother was pregnant with you, and after you were born. When you arrived. And right away, people began to shape you. Family, school, media, friends, all of them planted seeds. And your subconscious, the part of you we often call the inner child, accepted everything without question. Because that part of you doesn't argue, it just believes. And those beliefs, they became your behavior, your habits, and eventually your reality. That's why so many of us feel stuck. Because we're living inside a system of beliefs we never chose. And that's the first truth you need to understand. If your life feels repetitive, it's not because of fate. It's because of programming. So how do we fix this? Well, imagine trying to grow a healthy tree in salty soil. You can plant the best seeds, use the best tools, but nothing will grow. Not because the tree is wrong, but because the soil is poisoned. That soil is your subconscious. If you want real change, you must clear the ground. That means changing your inner programming completely. Empty the cup. Forget what you think you know, because even one drop of vinegar can ruin a perfect drink. You can't pour new wisdom into a full cup. You must empty it first. And when you do, you'll realize something beautiful. You don't have to chase abundance. You just have to attract it. The universe is already raining blessings. You just need to hold up a bigger cup. Most people spend 95% of their effort in the physical world, jobs, tasks, hustle, and only 5% on the inner world. But that's upside down. Real power begins in the invisible, in the mind, in the energy, in the alignment of belief and vibration. So today I ask you, what's the soil like in your garden? Are you planting seeds of truth or of fear? In the next parts, we'll explore exactly how to rewrite those beliefs. How to use frequency, thought, and energy to create a new reality. But for now, remember this. If you want a new life, you must create a new mind. And it all starts by emptying the cup. This is only the beginning. In the next parts, we'll go even deeper into how to break free from limiting beliefs, how to align with the frequency of abundance, and how to reprogram your subconscious mind for lasting transformation. We won't just talk about it, will teach you practical, powerful techniques that you can use in your daily life to shift your energy and attract the life you truly want. Each session will build on the last, guiding you step by step toward real, meaningful change. So stay tuned, the next parts are on the way. Thank you for being here. If this spoke to you, like it, share it, and subscribe. Because we're just getting started. Remember, the rain of abundance is already falling. Your only job is to build a bigger cup. But alive.